Well, now to a story you'll see only here on Local 12. A Norwood company is at the forefront of what could be a medical breakthrough.
Yeah, this is fascinating. Now the military wants to study their product in the field. Brad Underwood gives us a look at the device.
While CT and MRI scans can deliver results relatively fast, they aren't portable. The makers of NeuroHawk say not only does it get results in 2.5 seconds, you can take it anywhere.
It's essentially radar for the brain.
The device, developed by Norwood-based Sense Neurodiagnostics, fits on top of the head. 9 antennae scan the brain to better understand strokes and traumatic brain injuries.
If the hemorrhage expands, the brain can be damaged, and that can happen reasonably quickly.
There are 3 devices, one for hospitals, another for ambulance use, and a third for the military.
Traumatic brain injury is the signature wound in the military today.
So, being able to immediately diagnose a brain injury on the field of battle is not only unprecedented, it's potentially life-saving.
Green light, that means they're okay. If it gives a red light, it means there's blood present, there is a traumatic brain injury. However, if it's red and it flashes, that means that bleed's expanding and you need to evacuate the person right away.
Good Sam and UC Medical Center have already done pilot trials on patients suffering from brain bleeds.
Small trial, but very promising data, but pilot trial, no question.
There's also a study where the device identifies various types of strokes. That's important for first responders because it allows them to make the right decision on where to take the patient for treatment.
It'll tell them if it's a stroke and potentially which type of stroke it is. So all they really need to know is how to turn it on and read the result.
As for the military, Sense under contract with the Army for 18 months to study this in the field. And get this, in November, they're going to Europe to meet with NATO to discuss the product. So could be talking about a global use of a product made just a couple miles up the road.
I love that.
And you talk about the big impact it could have with the military, which is obviously what the purpose is. But think about, the athletic field, paramedics carrying these around. There's so many possibilities for this.
And it's all going to really, it looks like, start within the hospitals. FDA testing going through right now for that hospital device.
Excellent. Good
Thank
stuff,
you.
Brad.
All right.